to help. We weren't comfortable, but we refused to help. Yeah, but eventually we realized that
Hello guys. So this morning I'm going to have Novtech class with one of my students. She's called Diana, and I want you to join the class. Uh-huh. I'm coming. So I would like you to join the class. It will be really effective. We are going to solve set questions, and maybe yeah set. We are going to solve set questions and possibly discuss some topics as well. We are going to learn very much. So join me. See you. Peace out. So I don't know whether you can see her. She is my princess. You can see the ball. Let me connect the one to my phone. Then, why are you scared? Okay, so we are going to start with this set problem. I gave an assignment, question 5, right? So let's solve it. So if you want to solve a set question, you should ask yourself certain questions. You should ask yourself certain questions. What the question is demanding. You know, like so. What the question is demanding. So the question says, in a market of 20 sellers, 65% sell tomatoes and 75% sell onions. Each seller is known to sell at least one of the two items. So here, when you are solving set questions, this is how you start. But if you are in the hurry, you start drawing the Venn diagram. Attention, you start drawing the Venn diagram. Then after that, you write all the description up here. But as an assignment, you have to come with this description. You have to come with this description. When you start, the union, let you be equal to the union. So the question says that the question says that in a market of 20 sellers. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Pardon? No, what are you talking about here? You are talking about what? Sellers. Have you seen? So it means you represent number of sellers. Oh, let me say you represent the sellers. The sellers. Do you understand? Or you can say total sellers. Then after that, I think my handwriting. Let me write it big because people are watching me. So let you be sellers, right? Then after that, you come and write number of. Now, when you say number of you, it means what? Number of what? Sellers. So number of sellers will be 20. So you have to write all this description. After that, you can use the. Where is the question? After that, it says that 65% sell tomato. So you have total number is what? Sell 20, which is the number of what? Sellers. And then 65% of them sell tomatoes and 75 sell what? Onions. And then he says that, so when you come here, tomato, use T to represent, because T, tomato. So let this letter will go for T2. So let T be equal to what? Tomato sellers. Tomato sellers. Is that understandable? Tomato sellers. So here it's going to be number of T. Number of T. So number 65%. So 65% of the what? Of the what? Original. So you can just go straight to the point. 65% of what? 20 of 20. 65% of 20 is the same as, right? It's the same as 65 out of 100 times what? 20. This one goes to itself 1, and then you divide this one what? 5 times. 5 divide this one 1 time, and then you divide this one how many times? 5. That should mean you. So you divide this one into not 11. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. I told you that in order to multiply anything by 5, you divide the number by 2, right? So here, if we are to, this we are dividing it by 5. So you multiply this one times 2. Then we run it backwards. So here, 65 times 2 is what? 130, right? 130, right? Then you divide it by 10. So it's inverse form of the other one. You understand? So you multiply number by 2. So you multiply number by 5. Each number with 2. And one is that times the 10. You get the answer. That's answer. So inverse form. If we are dividing a number, if we are dividing a number by 5, instead for us to um, divide it by 2, you multiply it rather by what? 2, because this one is division. Multiplication is inverse of what? Division. That's answer. This one will be 65 out of 100 times what? 20. We having 65 out of this. So it will be 65 out of 5. Multiplying this one um, by 2 will be what? 130. Then you divide it by 10. The same as running it backwards. The same as running it backwards here. So we have 13. So it means that you get 13 people who sells what? Who sells what? Tomatoes. 13 people who sells tomatoes. Then the next one, so let's find for number of what? The next one is number of onions. Okay. So let's use O to represent number of onions. O. So onion sellers. Onion onion sellers. Onion sellers. So this onion sellers. When they come here, number of O means what? No, number of N of O means what? Number of onions. As I said. So hereby, this one will be equal to what? Will be equal to what? Number of onions, 60. This 75 of what? 75 of 20. 75% of 20 is the same as 75 times 75 out of 100 times what? Times 20. This one divide itself 1. It goes here 5. You'll be having what? This one 2 divided by 5. So how are we going to do it? By 2. So this one, what will be the answer? 75 by 2 is what? Then divide by 10 is what? That's all. So the answer is 15. So guys, this is another trick. As I've taught you here. When I say etasa, it means you understand. We are in Ghana. If you are in Nigeria, when I say etasa, it means you understand. Or any country. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. So it means that the number of onions is going to be how many? 15. That's going to be the number of onions. Now after that, then you come back to the set itself. So where's the question? The question says that the 75% sells onions. Each seller is known to sell at least one subject of these two items. Whenever you hear at least one subject in set, it means that there is no region. Fantastic. Thank you, my girl. Thank you, my girl. Atasa. So whenever you hear um, at least one subject, at least two subjects, maybe each of them sells at least one, right? At least one. It means that there's no region 4. Region 4, there's nobody there. So we'll be having, let's draw the set. Then, so this will represent the number of you. I think I should erase this side so that I'll draw it bigger than this. Or is it okay? Is that okay? Mhm. Okay. So this is it. This is one. This is another one. And number of u will be here. So number of u is going to be what? 20. Then what will be the intersection? Okay, we have t. Let's use this one to represent number of t. And then this side represents number of o. You have to write it bigger so that. So number of o is going to be what? What is number of o? Number of o, 15. Okay. And then we have number of t to be what? 13. So after that, then have you seen this representation? This is really important. But they won't give you any marks to it, but it's presentable. Atasa, why could not give any marks to it? So when you are solving and you know all of these things, you can go straight to the point, draw the diagram. You leave a space at the above, and after that you write all the descriptions. Let you be blah blah blah, those things. Understood? Okay, good. Now continue. And then the question says, what does the question request for? The question requesting for said each seller is known to sell at least one subject at the two items. Okay. Matters. So it means also at least one subject at the two items, which means that there is no region for. We already explained that. How many sells both? So we are looking for both here. So this is simple. We just put here x. So after that, when you put x here, come and write it above that number of t intersection what? O be what? X. So after that, let's go. Yeah, this is 13, this is 15. So we can say this is the same as 13 minus what? X. Here is the same as what? 15 minus what? X. Then we are about to solve it. We are going to fish it out. And how are we going to do it? 13. So 13, you are talking about region what? 1 and 2. 13, right? 13, right? Here, you are talking about here. So region 1 and 2. So 13 this side plus what? Plus 15 minus x equal to 20. Good. So this is region 30 is 20. This is region 1 and 2, region 1 plus region 2 plus region 3. There is nothing here. So you are going to find that 13 plus this one is what? 28. 28 minus x equals 20. Then minus x equals 20 minus what? 28. Having minus x equals what? Minus 8, not 8. Hey, 20 minus 28. So this one, after that, we divide both sides by y negative 1. What's it because Nina name yeah, because no, because there is we are looking for x, and when it comes here, there is a negative number attached to x. So we want to divide through so that you want to remove the negative. what you can do is that you have to divide both side by -1. So we'll be having x equals what? 8. That's all. So it means both. So x equals 8, but you're not asked to find x, you're asked to find what? Both. So after that you say, therefore, number of C intersection O equals what? 8. That's it. Mm-hmm. I'm coming.
If they give you the union to be a percentage to that one, to you multiply it by something like
If they
65
give you the union to be 20% of what?
of ABR, be 65%.
No, you see, union means total. Union means total. In total, I told you that total in percentage is what?
One.
Total in percentage. Percentage, your percentage. If when you are marking your papers, it's out of what? 100. So anything in total in percentage is what? 100. So it means they haven't given it to you, but you should know that it's 100%. That's why we said 75 out of, when you are calculating, see, I solved the 75 out of what? 100. It means you are taking 75 out of 100. We solved it in percentage form. Then after that, we came to get the real numbers. I mean, the exact numbers for it. It has there. It has Yes, solve what percentage first, all because we're giving all the items in percentage. Then I said everything in total. They haven't given it to you, but they know that you know already that everything in total is what? 100%. Have you seen? Have you seen? So which means if everything is 100%, we can. Do you know that we can use all the percentages to solve this, but we can't use 20 years. Here will be 100%. Then we will get the same answer. Should we try? We can try. You can try. You can try. The other questions were given in percentage. There's not necessary for you to convert them before, but you can change it to you get the same answer. So let's solve this out. Give me the details. The the exact things in the question. Pardon? 20 cells. So this 20 represents 100 now. Because 100 means what? Total. Do you understand? So here will be 100%. And then which one is 75%? Which one is so 65% to be here. Onion 75. Oh, number of O equals 75. So there are a lot of ways that you can solve mathematics, but it should be logic. Now after that, you represent here by x. The same thing. Here will be what? 65% minus x. We should note that it's percentage. That's by this one, and then here, and then maths do they like consistency. So since I repeated percentage, you have to repeat percentage in all of them. Everything is a percentage, which is a lot of work. If I don't bring any percentage there, it's okay. So I can say 100, 75, 65. Then I'll go my way. After that, my final answer, I'll bring the percentage. Understood? Fantastic, my girl. So here we'll be having 75 minus x. 75 minus x here. So here is the whole of what? 65 plus what? 75 minus x equals what? Equals what? Equals what? Are you here? Equals 100. No, you can make sure the payment. I'm phone there while I make sure the payment. So 65 plus 75 is what? 150 minus x equals what? 100. Pardon? That's 75. 75. It's 75 plus 65 is not 158. But when you this 5 plus 65 is what? 70. And then so this one also be 70, right? So total be what? 140. Do you understand? We are adding them. Let's borrow this one to here. 5 plus, and this one becomes 70, 70, 70, 140. So 140 minus x equals what? 100. Have you seen? Now coming to find x. So you can say let this one go this way, this one comes here. 140 minus 100 equals what? X. You'll be having x to be what? 40, right? It's not 40 in number. You should remember that it's in what? Percentage. Fantastic. So after that, getting x to be 40%, you have to find x now. So you say now x, since x is percentage, you're coming to find the exact value. It's 40% of what? Of the what? Exact value, which is a union. And 20. It's as a, it's as here. So how they benya way work, how they book mona 5. 5 40 divided by 5 here. 5. 8. 8. Thank you. So we having x to be equal to what? 8. X to be equal to 8. It's not the same thing. So any way that you can solve that, it will become easy for you. Any way that it will be easy for you. I think the thing is clear. They can see it. Yeah, any way that you can solve for it to become easy for you. That's how you solve it. Now let's solve another question. I gave one assignment, right? Any way that you can solve for it. Just check it out. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. No, then question 6 now. So, hey, Diana, you okay? In a class, there are 20 players in the football team, and 16 players in the hockey team. 4 players play both games, and 4 players play both games, and 4 play none of the games. Find I, the number of students in the class. I, those who are in only one team. Those who are in only one team. And this one you will solve it too. Did you get the question? You can listen to it, pause it, listen to it well, or you can go reverse it and then go backwards a bit, listen to it well, so that you can get the question, so that you will solve it and then send comment below the question, the answer of the question. I will read it again, although my PC is running low. When I die bored. So no. Okay, I'm coming in. This my PC is running low. Let me take a charger and down. Diana is here.
I don't know how to talk.
You know how to talk. Guys, I'm coming, okay? So guys, I'm coming right now. My PC is running low, so I have to charge it. Okay, so let's solve another question. If you are live here, try as much as possible to share it to your friend or any colleague who is also about to write an object. This class is really effective. So I'm reading the question again. It says that, where is the question? In a class, there are 20 players. In a class, there are 20 players. Hey, in a class, there are 20 players in the football team, 16 players in the hockey team, 4 players play both games, 4 play none of the games. Find I the number of students in the class. Those who are in only one team. Those who are in only one team. So, Dada, can you solve it? So solve it and let me see. Please try and let me see. Try as much as possible to solve it. You're okay, you're good. Please try as much as possible to solve it. I want you to try the question. Try the question. Please try the question. I don't know if I wish I can upload the question there. Oh, someone is asking, how can I get my Waec pin and serial number for free? Waec pin and serial number for free. You want Waec pin in terms of, are you a WASSCE candidate? Let me know. So if you want a serial number as a BEC candidate, okay, let me reply the person here. Coming. So guys, try the question. Try the question. I think the question you can try it within 5 minutes. I'm giving you 5 minutes. It's 7:51. By 7:50, 3 minutes is okay. 7:54. Stop there. Oh, the serial number, and then it's not for free. Oh, it's not for free. It's not at all. But you can get some really affordable. Um, I think you contact me after this live class and let me send you one. You just pay 20 cedis for one. The serial number. Guys, I'm waiting. Hurry up, hurry up. Solve the question. Let's see. You have 1 minute more. Then are you done? Okay. Since the NI is done, let me assume that all of you have done. All of you are done. Okay. So let's solve it here fast, fast, fast. Then we check, we compare the answers. So this question, we start with this. He said in a class there are 20 players in there are 20 players in the football team. So 20 players in the football team, right? Um 16 16 in the hockey team, 4 players in what both. So it means that this is two set problem, football and hockey, right? Uh-huh. So you can start by drawing your. I've told you that because of time, you can start by drawing your diagram. After that, you write all the description up there. So you can start by drawing your diagram. Then, so this is two set problem. Number of H. You know that hockey you can use H, and then number of what? Number of what? Football. Fantastic. Number of F. Number of H is what? H. 16. Number of F. Football. 20. Then both is what? Both. Can let me know this one. Then both is what? 4. None is 4. So none means region 4. None means what? Region 4. After that, you have to find what? Total number of people who are in the team. I mean total class. No, not total class because there are some who doesn't play anything, right? So total number in the team. So what you can do is that you can use a variable to represent here and here. You understand? So first of all, CO. This is 4. If this is 4 and this is the total is 16, what will be here? 12. That will be 12. There will be 12. If here is 20 and here is 4, what will be here? 16. So after that, this one plus this is 20. 20 plus 12. So it means the number of people in the team, you can say number of people. Okay. Number of people in the team. Number of people. Oh. And the team is going to be going to be what? Going to be 12. It's the same as number of H union what? F. Do you understand? Which is going to be um 12 plus 4 plus 16. Hey, 12 plus 4 plus 16. This one will be 20 plus 12, which is the 30 what? 2. So it means the total number of people in the team you are what? 32. How about the total number of class? Class. When in case they ask you for total number of class. Fantastic, because you add those who doesn't play Sam. 9. And no. You add them. You what you do. So this is the how we then after that you come and write all your presentation here. So let you be what? Number of people in the what? Class. And then H be what? Football players, hockey players, F is what? Football players. So this is simple. Set is not something difficult. Next question. Read the question. There are 30 students in a class. Say na two. If you don't understand, if you don't get the meaning of tenant, it means here so that what? Tenant is what? Listen so that you will hear. Listen so that you will hear. Tenant. Let's go. The next question. You okay? You read it. Read it and listen.
30 students in a class took an examination in social studies and
So you said
science.
there are 30 students in a class.
Took an examination in social studies and science. 20 of them passed in science.
Social studies in what?
Science.
Science.
Then it says that 20 of them passed in science.
20 passed in science.
11 passed both subjects.
11 passed in subject. So number of you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, equals what?
11.
11.
4 students did not pass in any of the subjects.
Also you didn't pass in any subject. So none. None is
And intersection and double complement.
SO
Intersection.
intersection.
It's not
I think I was not region 4. So SO union SC
complement.
complement.
Oh my God.
So SO is representing social studies and then this one is what?
Science.
Science.
It's 4.
It's 4.
Yes. Yeah. How many students passed in social studies?
How many students? How many students that's what?
Passed in social studies.
How many students passed in social studies? Social. So this one too, you draw the diagram. Wait, okay, we're not giving number of social studies, so you draw the diagram. I don't know where to even draw it, but this one, then I write it upwards a bit. So this is number of, this is none, right? Social union science complement equals what?
4.
Equals 4. So let's draw the diagram here. So I've written all the details. Is it clear? I don't know. Oh, this one set, this another set. So social studies, number of SO is what? Number of SC is what? Solve it out fast. So number of social we're not given, but we're giving the union, right? So number of U is what? 30. These people are 30. Then after that, the fourth region
4.
4, which is none 4. Then intersection is what?
Intersection.
Intersection 11. Intersection 11. The social science people 20.
20.
So if science people are 20 and both are 11, then it means we can deduct this one to get here. Which is what? Which is what? 9. What? 9, 9, 9, 9 rather. I was about to say 9. What's a mistake? I'm sorry, my princess. Okay, so this is 9 and then here. How about here? Mhm. You don't know here, right? So this is what you can do to find it. By adding this one plus this one, the union, adding the union set and then equating it to the union. You understand? If I are to find, okay, you know that one equation, which means region 1 plus region 2 plus region 2 plus region 4 should give us what? The union. Do you understand? Which is a 30. So we can say region 1 here plus here plus here plus here should give us a 30. Then we find here. In other words, we can use a variable to represent here. Understand? Or we can use a variable to represent here too. When you use a variable to represent here, it will be circle plus this one equals what? 30. Do you understand? So which one should you do? You are asking for a number of social studies. So let's use x to represent here. Let it be x and let's represent x here. So after that, when you come, you won't come to here. Do you understand? If you come to here, we have to deduct it, which will be having x minus what? 11. I don't want it to be a long format. This is simple. So the whole of this circle, the whole of the first circle, which is x plus what? 9 plus what? 4 equals what? 30. Is it clear? Uh-huh. The reason is that you know that all this x represents the whole of this one. So it covers the 11. Atasa. It covers the 11. So there's no necessary for you to come. When you head over back. No. It means that it will be x plus what? 9 plus what? 4 equals what? 30. So let's solve it here. We'll be having, okay, x plus 11. 11 plus 9 is what? 20. 20 plus 4. 24. 24 minus, so it will be like, we will get x. I want a place to solve it. I think you can solve it up here. Up here. So when you come here, you see that this one should be here. Let me erase this one. So you see that this one will be x plus what? 9 plus, let's move straight to the point. We know that all of this one will give us what? All of this one will give us what? It will be x plus what? X plus 9 plus 4 rather. You are making mistake here. The whole of this x plus 9 plus 4. So x plus 9 plus 4 equals what? 30. It's not that. Equals 30. You have to get and buy markers. I have to get markers. So x plus 9 plus 4 plus x 9 plus 4 is what? 11, right? 13. Sorry, 13. The calculation by 30. Now x is equal to 30 minus what? 13. Have you seen? X is equal to 30 minus 13. What is 30 minus 13? 7. So it means x equals what? 7. 17. 17. Oh, someone. 17. Every someone find your mind. So 17. 17. That's all. So you'll be having x is representing the number of social. So hence, the number of social is what? 17. That's all. That's all. So you did get 17. Check your answer there. Did you get 17? Hey, one time.
Sure. Maybe the method I used
How is it?
different.
It's different.
I guess.
Why is it?
Yeah.
So this is. So guys, you have to also try the question before. Maybe you can pause it and then you try the question before solve it. So you can pause it after solving it, then you check your answer and then you check the explanation. Okay. Let me know when if you understand or not. Thank you very much. Let's go to the next one. It says, make sure that the end of I but to use S to represent science and social. You can't use that. You have to change something because SS then is science the same as social. Hmm?
I use it to
Both,
represent
both. See, both science, science. And whether it's science,
social.
science or
Okay,
social,
okay,
social.
okay.
But it doesn't. You don't have to do that. Mhm. Although it starts with the same method, so 30 plus 20 minus 11. Can you explain this thing to me? How do you do it?
30 here.
Oh, I want you to know this here.
Minus
Uh-huh.
30 here.
Uh-huh.
20 minus the 11 here.
So there is
Plus the x
this
here.
S is representing what?
Science. Then SU here. Social.
Social.
Yeah.
And so you're supposed to write all those things there.
I wrote
So
it.
it means you made a mistake.
I.
This thing shows error. You shouldn't say SS.
This was what I was doing here yesterday when I went on this. Like, you gave me this one yesterday to do it. I was doing it here.
20 minus 11 plus. Where did you get all this? That's my concern. So
20 is here.
20 here,
Science.
20
Then the 11 is intersection. So I subtract from the 20
to get what? To
plus.
get where this side.
No.
Now, but when you subtract this 11 from the 20, when you subtract this 11 from this 20, you are getting here.
Where?
So
I
it
want.
means the total here, this 20 minus 11 is the, the answer here.
So after everything, I had 13 here. 30 minus x here. Have you seen?
But I'm saying that whenever you are deducting this one from this one, the answer should be here. Shouldn't no one will understand this. Do you understand? Because this one is written 20 minus 11. This is representing with the one, this one. Then
So I
plus
should have
x.
brought the 20 inside this one and deducted it from 11.
Yes, you should have. No, you should have. This one is okay. Then you deduct it from here. You know that this is how the rating is. When you're adding them up, it's here plus here equals a plus here equals this side. Do you understand? But you be rating 11 minus this. Do you understand? So you should be rating 1 plus region 2 plus region 3 plus region 4 equals what? The universal set. Do you understand? Region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4 equals what? The universal set. It should be plus. That's all. So when you come here, it's only if the minus comes in, it's only if there is a minus in the region itself. Maybe here is x minus 9. Then it means there will be x there. You understand? Yes, I think that's it. Thank you for that. Then for you to get here, you can write 11. It will hold what? X minus 11. With that one, so your equation should have been this. X minus 11. So your equation should have been 9 plus 11 plus x minus 11. You understand? Because this region plus 4 equals what? Equals what? 30. Is it clear? Is it clear? That's how it's supposed to be. I hope it's clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do some. Let's solve that other question. So you might get the same answer, but maybe the method that you use, like I said. So it should be radians. It should be radians.
Then it says that
And the
what
next
is the
question, they said
probability?
find the probability of meeting students who pass in one subject only. So I told you that probability. How do you find probability? How do you find probability? Is what? Probability. The exact thing that they're talking about out of the total. That's all. The exact thing that they are talking about out of the what? Out of the total. So when you come here, hey man, do.
I'm not
Well,
sleeping.
time
I'm not
Hey,
sleeping.
Elda.
Daddy.
Go flush or Elda.
Oh, no, come
Come check it. Okay. So let's start from the one. I want the best now. So the question asks for probability, right? Probability of what?
Of,
Oh, so my papa did. Of what?
of meeting a student who passed in one subject
In one
only.
subject. So it should be here and here. This side and this side. Here is x minus 11, right? So it should be here plus here. You understand? Only one subject, right? So it should be here plus here out of the total. You understand? Out of the total. So probability will be, you get it like this. You'll be having x, x minus, x minus 11 plus 9. X minus 11 plus 9 equals the number of students who what?
Who?
Pass one subject. So you can write number of students with one subject. Right. Then can you see it? With one subject. With one subject, yeah. So this one is going to be x minus 11 plus 9. Have you seen? X minus 11 plus 9. Which will be having, what is x now? X, you got 8, right?
No.
What was the answer?
7.
17. Fantastic, my girl. Thank you very much. 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 So here will be 17 minus 11 plus 9. 17 minus 11 is what? 6, right? 6 plus 9, 15. So we'll be having the number of students with one subject is 15. And then the total number of students is what?
It's 30.
30. So the probability will be what?
1
15 out of 30. So you write probability of students with one subject. 15 out of 30, which is equal to 1 out of 2. This is correct. That's the probability. That's all. Probability down here. Probability in combat is not difficult at all. You have to just understand it. Then do you understand? The next question. Fast. Then hurry. The next
A
question.
survey was conducted by 4 scientists. A. A survey was conducted by 4 statistics students at K University.
A survey was a survey was what?
Conducted by 4 statistics students
4 statistics students in K University.
on 130 people.
On
No,
130 people.
yeah.
So it means number of you. Have you seen the way I'm solving a question? That's what you're supposed to solve. Whenever you are reading the question, as you are reading all the objectives or all the necessary information, you should note them down. Let's go.
Okay. So a survey was conducted by 4 statistics students at K University on 130 people.
A survey was conducted on what?
130 people.
130 people. So it means number of you. When an actual number of you equals what? 130.
To know their favorite drink on
Their
beer,
favorite drinks.
on beer and
On beer and then what? Beer and then what?
pronounce it.
You can't pronounce it. Pronounce it the way you can you can spell. Gilda, I think Gilda. So on beer and Gilda, then he said it was revealed that 30 liked both drinks, 10 liked neither beer nor Gilda, and twice as many liked beer as liked Gilda. Okay, okay, so let's go. Reading can come fast, 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 fast.
How many like beer?
How many like beer?
So I
Beer.
should read it
Read at it again so that we'll write
Okay.
it.
It was revealed that he liked both drinks, so that's beer and Gilda.
It was revealed that 30 liked beer and Gilda.
Yeah.
So beer and what? Gilda, Jane, equals what? 30. Uh-huh.
Then
Fast, 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 fast.
it's
Mm-hmm.
10 liked neither beer nor Gilda.
10 liked neither beer
Beer
nor
nor
Gilda. So it's number of what?
Number of B
B,
union G
B union G.
complement.
Fantastic. Clap for yourself. Let me clap for you. Let me clap. Oh. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm really impressed. So this is B union J. B union J is what?
10.
10. Mm-hmm. B union J complement, which means none.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And twice as many liked beer as liked Gilda.
And then what? Twice as many.
Liked beer as liked Gilda.
Twice as many like beer as like Gilda.
Gilda.
So you had there. So this one is like um twice of those who like um beer like Gilda. Do you understand? So you can say number of twice of what? Twice of what?
Twice as B.
Number of what? Read it again.
Twice.
Oh, sorry.
Twice as many liked beer as liked Gilda.
Twice as many like B. So number of 2 times number of B. Like what?
Gilda.
Gilda. Do you understand? With them question, Mama women, you shouldn't be afraid. You shouldn't be what? Afraid. It's not something difficult. 2 times, twice as many as for those who like what? Beer. Like what? Gilda. That's how it's supposed to be.
Ginger. Ginger.
Okay. So let's start. So I'm not feeling well, so that's why. So number of those who like beer, 2 times of them like what Gilda. Do you understand? Which means that we can say that. Okay, so let's draw the Venn diagram and let's vision the answer.
Okay.
Then they say we should find what?
It says that how many like beer?
How many students like
Beer.
beer? You like beer? The marker is finished too. The marker is finished. Oh, then let me go for marker. I think I have some inside there. Let me go and bring all the marker I have. Okay, it's working. So let's draw that Venn diagram fast. So here's how it's going to be. Then number of u. Number of u is what? Number of u is 130. So we know number of u to be 130 here.
Yeah.
Then number of u to be 130. Then what again? Number intersection both is 30. And then we have none 10. So let's here represent number of b. And then here represents number of what?
G.
Number of g. Elder. So here is number of b, number of g. Now when you come here, this is simple. This is 2 times of this one, which means that we can say, okay, I'm coming. Which means that if number of b, if number of j is x, then number of b will be what?
2x.
2x. Thank you, my girl. Thank you very much. Do you understand? Is it clear? So that's why I said you should write all the statements down. So here you say let x be what? Number of g, or let number of g be what? X. Do you understand? So when you come here, you'll be having, here will be 2x minus 30. Here will be x minus what? 30. You are looking for x. So you can say the whole of this one, which is 2x. So which is 2x plus what? Plus what?
Plus
30.
30.
Hey. The whole of this is 2x. So 2x plus what?
Plus
X.
x.
So the whole of number of b is 2x. So it will be 2x plus x.
Minus 30.
2x plus x minus 30 plus 10 equals what?
130.
Equals 130. Fantastic. So you'll be having number of b equals 2x. number of b equals 2x. And then we know that x is equal to what? X is equal to what?
X is equal to 50.
No, x is equal to 50. So hence it means the number of b it will be equal to 2 times 50, which is the same as what? 100. So the number of those who like there is 100.
Number of those who like Gilda is 50.
Then when they ask for Gilda, it's just 50 straight forward. Pardon?
They asked for it.
They ask for it, okay.
Then how many like exactly one drink?
Exactly one drink. So it will be which rating? Exactly one. Exactly one.
And rating two. Like
Come again.
this one and this.
This one fantastic. So it will be when they ask for only one, exactly one, or only one. It will be region 1 and region 3, which is b only and then g only, which is 2x minus 30 plus what? X minus 30. So we'll be having, let me read this side. So we'll be having 2x minus 30 plus x minus 30. Two x minus 30 plus x minus 30. We'll be having, so x 2x plus x is what? 3x. And then this one will be minus 60. And you have x to be 50, so it will be the same as 3 times 50, right? 3 times 50 minus 60. You have 150 minus what? 60. 150 minus 60.
Very short and now.
My short. Hello guys, sorry, I had a meeting, that's why I paused the video. We're going to continue. Let's move on. Peace out. Okay, let's continue. The next question. The microphone is low, so we are no more using microphone. But I think they can hear. Can you hear me? Let me know. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know if you can hear. Let me see. Oh.
Is it limit that it's giving you to do your video?
Yeah, it has a time. I can see too. Hello, can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear. You can hear.
My voice is small.
Okay, so let's continue. Next one, we are going to solve this question 2. The question says that please will be fast, so follow up. This one will be fast, so follow up. The way you are. Okay. The next one, it says that in a musical concert, the number of audience who prefer high life music is twice the number of audience who prefer gospel music. So now here, in a musical concert, you are talking about musical song. You are talking about musical concert. So it means you are talking. The union will be a number of people who are in the what musical concert. That's that. So here, also the number of people who prefer high life music is 3 times. Twice means 3 times the number of those who prefer gospel. So high life H, right? Number of H is equal to what? 3 times number of what?
Number of people who prefer
3 times number of what? People who prefer gospel. So here, then it continues to say that those who prefer both music is half those who prefer gospel music. Those who prefer both music. So number of what? Number of what? H intersection what? G. Do you understand? Those who prefer both music is what? Is half of those. Are you looking at here? Is half of those who prefer gospel music. So it's equal to half of what? G. Number of G. Is that understandable? It's half of number of G. So here, this is simple. This is simple. After that, then, so number of you, we have not been given number of you yet. But you should know that the number of you will be number of people who are in the musical concert. Who are in the musical concert. Right? Good. So let's continue. Where is it? What is it asking for? Illustrate this on a Venn diagram. So this will be the Venn diagram for it. I want to draw the Venn diagram here. Okay, let me write this one up here. Number of H equals 3 times number of what? J. Right? Then this one will be number of H intersection G equals what? Half of N. That's it there. I am rough. So after this one, then what you will do next is that we can what again? So after that, then we are going to illustrate it in on a Venn diagram. This will be our Venn diagram. This method 2 is not working. Let me see. This will be our Venn diagram. Is it clear? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. So this will be our Venn diagram. Number of U. Then number of G will be here. Number of G. Number of what? Number of what again? H. Number of H. So number of G. Now when you come here, this is how we're going to solve it. Let's represent number of G as X. So number of G be X. So we can say let number of G be what? X. Let number of G be X, right? So after that, then you come here. When you come here, you can say since number of G is X, you can use it to find this one. Because H is equal to 3 times number of G, right? So you can say number of H here. Number of H will be equal to 3 times X. Is it clear? Is it clear? So since this is x, number of h should be 3 times x. Now, if number of j is 3 times x, now for the both, the both, the both is half of j. So since j is x, you can say both is half of what? X. Is it clear? Now, I want to be someone in a musical concert. The number of audience who prefer high life music is thrice. Is it what you're sorry? Okay, so here is 3 times. I don't know if you can see it well. Number of h equals 3 times x. So let's continue. So this one, now I'm going to solve this. I want to know whether there will be someone here. Saying musical concert. Those who prefer both music is half of those who prefer gospel music. That's what you've done it already, right? Okay. And then if 70 out of 1218, if 70 out of 1218 of the people at the concert did not like any of the two music tones, find those who prefer both music. Okay, so now it has the question has clarified here that 70 out of 1218 people don't like any of them, which means the number of people who are there are 1218, right? Good. So it means number of you here will be what? 1218. And then 70 will be at the region 4, right? Yeah. So after here you can solve it. You can solve it, right? So it means that we can solve it at ease. By this is x. Here will be, if you want this side will be 3x minus what? Half x. Do you understand? Do you understand? Mm-hmm. The region 3, it will be 3x minus what? Half x. 3x minus half x. Then you can equate the whole of this, which is x. So it will be x plus x. This is region 1 and region 2 for j. X plus 3x minus half x plus 70 equals what? 1218. Is it clear? 1218, what more you mean show I? Don't be afraid of big numbers. You have a calculator. So this one will come here. We deduct 1070 from it. Hurry up, deduct and let me see. Fast. This calculator is not working. Didn't you bring yours? Mine. Then the next question you will try it about some people to see you. The next question you will try. No, people will see your face. Hurry up. You don't have time. You have to hurry up. You don't have time at all.
Is this one working?
This one?
It's not working.
It's still working, but didn't you bring a calculator? That's it there. It's that thing. It's not that one.
That's why.
Okay. Then hurry up. And then you see people are watching you. $1,148. So When you deduct something, so this one will come here, 1148. Let's simplify this one. This one will be 4x. 4x minus half x equals 1148, right? Right? Now, after that, you have to simplify this one. You can simplify this one by, it will be, so by multiplying 3 by what? The denominator, 2. Fantastic, fantastic. So you multiply 2 throughout. 2 by 4x is what? Is what?
2x.
2 by 4x. 2 times 4x.
2 times
4x.
Over here.
Mm-hmm.
2x.
Where?
2x.
2 4.
4x.
Let's say, look at the 2x now.
Yeah.
8x.
Oh, sorry.
Not so I confused. Because this one times 2. It's about you be 2 1 2. You have 2 here, 2 by this one 2, then 2 by this one 8, and 2 times this one be 16. So 8 by 9. You understand? So this is how it's going to be. Now after getting this one, you can say that this one will be 7x equals what? 2296. Find x and let's see. So x will be 2296 divided by 7. 2296 divided by 7.
328.
328. It means that x is what? 300 and what? 28, which is the same as what? Which is the same as what? What is x? G. So those who like gospel is what? 328. You understand? Now after getting 328, we can also say the number of people who like what? High life, which is 3x. So it will be 3 times 328. That's all. That's all. That's all.
That is 984.
Pardon?
984.
984. 984. Okay, 984. Let's see what the question is seeking for. The question says that we should find for both music. So this side, which is half x. So half of 328 is what? Half of. So 300 will be 150. Then 28 will be what? 40. So 164, right? 164. Now, the next one, the question asks for what? He said you should, those who like only one music tone. Only one music tone. For only one music tone, we can get it from here and here, right? Only, exactly one. So here and here, which means that you will deduct this half x from this, right? Right? We are looking for, so this is, the entire j is what? X. The both is what? Half x. So you can say that this side, this first region will be what? X minus half x. Is that understandable? X minus. So after that, then you say, then if only is here and only is here, we can sum them up. We'll be having, I have to raise this side for necessity. Please, you can pause it and then check it out, okay? Don't pressure yourself. I want you to understand. If you don't understand, comment below and let me know. If you don't understand, I will do a special video for only you. Okay, so here we are looking for only exactly one. Exactly one means we are going to talk about the first region and the third region. Which means it will be x minus half x plus 3x minus half x. Let's solve it out. So here x plus, even this one, x plus 3x is what? 4x. Then half x minus half x is what?
Minus 2.
Minus what? So it's like minus half. If you know the answer, let me know in the comment section. Minus half is what? It's the same as half plus half. What is half plus half? Hey, as a half, as a half more behind.
Abayan. 2 and 2.
As a half more behind. This is your question. Pound on able half. You broken a bread. You broken half of a bread. Now you're adding the half of the bread plus the half of the bread. What will you get?
Will be whole.
Which is 1. Which is what?
1.
1. So half plus half is 1. So when you come here, you see, mathematics is not something difficult too. I think it's because the way we talk about it, that math is difficult, but it's not something difficult. So you see that when you see half of something, half of x for instance, minus half of x, you shouldn't think something huge. It just this is negative, so as a call half wadi, as a call another half. So your negative means you're owing half from maybe sister Odoko, half from sister Kusia. So in total you're owing 1. You're owing 1. So here the total answer would be minus x. Someone will say minus 1x, which is not logic. You have to say minus x. Minus x. So it means that here we have 3. This is x value. So 4x minus what? 4x minus what?
X.
4x minus x. And what is 4x minus x is what? 3x, right? 3x, right? Now we know that x is equal to 300 and what? 28. So then we can say that only people, exactly 1 people. Please note that before you answer anything, exactly 1, which means that you can say you can say n into bracket exactly 1, n into bracket exactly 1 equals, then you solve it. Then you solve this one up, we are solving. So you add them. You can group this one too. I don't know. Let me know if you can see it clearly. When you comment below, I will see it here that you can see it clearly or not. So for here, this one plus this one, then you'll be having 3x. 3x is the same as 3 times 328, right? Then you solve, you get the answer. That's all. Let's move on to the next question. Time is going. The next question. Please, this question, try and then give me the answer. Try and give me the answer. You solve it. The question you solve it. Number 8. Number what? Out of total number of 90 pupils. Out of total number of 90 pupils. Please write the question down. Out of total number of 90 pupils. Try. Start working. Out of total number of 90 pupils in a football academy. Out of total number of 90 pupils in a football academy. S square, x square, S square. Where is it? Out of total number of this one. S squared of what? S squared of them said they can play with their left leg. So S squared. Don't be afraid of this question. You can do it. Try. 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 Try is not a harm. Try. Try. Diana, try. So it says that out of total number of 90 pupils. Total number of 90 people. So the number of you is what? 90. Then it says F squared of them said they can play with their left leg. So you can say number of L representing left leg is what? S squared. You will do it, so try as much as possible to do it. And then it says that they can play with their left leg, while 2S squared of them said they can play with their right leg. So number of R, they said is 2S squared. They said they can play with their what? Right leg. The question is that, and 3x of them said they can play with both legs. So number of L intersection R equals what? Equals what? Equals what? Equals 3x. 3x. So I've written all the I can say, should I say dimensions? I've written everything for you here. And the question says, number of those who said, hey, you come here. I mean both is what? 3x. 3x. Find the number of peoples who can play with both legs. That is I. Both legs, I, one leg. Do it now. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Then present it nicely. Or are you done with it? Okay, do it to continue. Hurry up. Please try as much as possible to do it. Try as much as possible to do it. I'm reading the question again. He said, Diana, you do it. So the question says that this is the last question for 2 set problem today. After that, you go to 3 set problem. You go to 3 set problem. The question says that out of total number of 90 pupils in football academy, F squared of them said they can play with their left leg, while 2S squared of them said they can play with their right leg. S squared of them said they can play with their left leg, while 2x squared of them, that I've written all the dimensions here, the union, the total number of people, those who can play with their left leg, that is L, S squared, and then R is representing those who can play with their right leg. L and R means left, both left and right. That is 3x. So it says that so it says that I'm continuing with the reading. 3x can play, said they can play with their both legs. Find the number of peoples who can play with I, both legs. I, both legs. I, one leg, one leg, one leg, one leg. Are you done? Hurry up. Are you done? But present it well. Present it as an exam question. Present it well. Please try as much as possible to present your answer well. After that, you can comment below your answer and let me know. Comment below your answer and let me know. Guys, hurry up. I'm waiting for your answers. Hurry up. I'm waiting for your answers. Hurry up. I haven't seen any answers yet. Are you done? Maybe I'll catch you another area.
Down here.
And I saw that all represent. We didn't write what it represents here. Harry? Nine and cool. Nine two. Nine two. The master and the man is representing you. Yeah, I do. The man they have a book. Okay. Okay, so let's solve it and let's see. Let's solve it fast. Okay. So now you are solving it. Fast. Here. This 90. Okay, so you draw a Venn diagram. You draw a Venn diagram. Then number of u equals 90. Number of u equals 90. So and then after that, we have. Let me check something here. Okay, number of u equals 90. Then we have intersection to be 3x. Here is 3x. Number of L equals L squared. Number of R
2s squared.
2s squared. Fantastic. So it means here will be what? Were we told that there's, let me read the question. It's out of 90 people in the class, 2x of R this one. Were we told neither people? We're not giving neither people. Okay, say in a class of 90 students. Okay. I think there's no neither. We are either left or right or both. So after that, then let's solve it out. Here is 3x 2s squared. This is 2s squared minus 2s squared minus what?
2s squared minus 3x.
Minus 3x. So you can say this side, which is s squared plus
3x.
2x squared minus 3x equals what? Equals what?
Equals 90.
Equals 90. Okay, equals 90. Then after that, this is, we can get here with 3x squared, right? Minus 3x equals 90, right? And then we'll be having, this one will come this way, 3x squared minus 3x plus minus 90. Minus 90 equals 0. We can divide 2 by 3, right? Are you done? Hey, Diane.
I was having it feel
Diane,
like
my head, whoa. Diane.
I thought it was wrong, so I stopped.
You thought what was wrong?
This one.
I've asked you to believe in yourself. Even if it's wrong, you have to do mistakes to make corrections so that you know what you're doing. So from here, we can divide 2 by 3. From here, we'll be having s squared minus x equals what? 30, right? Then after that, we can, this one will come to be having s x squared minus x plus minus 30 equals 0. You will simplify this one. Let me tell you something. See, you got this mass. You got this mass. And you thought your answer was squared. But what were you looking for? Number of people. There's no way you can get number of people as decimals. No, you can't get if I'm counting something here, I can't say this is 0.1, this is 0.2. It's not possible. One cannot be here. So when you are finding counting numbers, number of people, number of items, and you get decimals, you should understand that, or you should note that your answer is wrong. You'll be having, you'll be x squared minus x minus 30. This one is the same as, so factorization, you have, what are the two factors that you can use? X squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 30. You've even forgotten factorization.
I've not said anything.
You've forgotten?
I've not forgotten.
Yo.
Now.
So here, then we split them. You'll be having this one out, x out will be here. If you don't understand factorization, let me know. I will take my time and then take you through factorization as well. So here, x out into bracket, then we'll be having x minus 6, right? And then here to 5 out plus 5 out, we'll be having x minus 6 equals 0, which means you'll be having x plus 5. You'll be having x plus 5 multiplying x minus what? 6 equals what? 0. Now you're looking for number of people, so you're supposed to get positive number. So here you see, here this one we can say x plus 5 equals 0. Then we'll be having x equals what? Negative 5. Now we can say we are looking for okay, this is one value for x. Let's find another value for x. This is x minus 6. X minus 6 equals 0, which will be the same as x equals 6. X equals 6. Let me see if this marker is working well. Let me raise this one and write it here. X equals 6. So now we have two values for x. Now you go back and then see what x represents. X was representing what? Number of something, either number of people who can play left and right. You understand? So basically it's number of people. You shouldn't get decimals. You shouldn't get what? Decimals. As a matter of fact, when you get decimals, it means your answer is wrong. Then I'm talking to you.
Okay.
So here you see that you have two values. X equals what? Negative 5 and x equals what? 6. But because you are looking for number of people, you can't say x, the number of people is equal to negative 5. So you can say hence, let me erase this side. That's how your conclusion will be. Since x is number of people, hence x is equal to 6 rather, not negative 5. 6, not negative 5. 6, not negative 5. Six, not negative 5. That's how it's going to be. Okay, that's it. That's all. So after that, let's come back to the question. The question asks us to find those who can play both legs and those who can play one leg. Both legs are is 3x. So you can say both. Number of those who can play both legs like this equals 3x, right? So you say both legs, number of b for both legs equals 3x, then it will be 3 times 6, which is the same as what? 18. Which is the same as 18. Okay, which is the same as 18. And then the question also asks for those who played on one leg. So one leg will be this side and this side, which is the first region and then the third region. The first region and then what? The third region. Which means that it will be 3x squared minus what? 3x plus 2x squared minus 3x. That's it. That's how it's going to be. That's how it's going to be. I think that's how. So you add them, then you substitute the values inside. I want to give questions out. Please, I'll post questions in the WhatsApp platform, and then on the YouTube, I'll post questions on this set. We will be moving to 3 set problem. We'll be moving to 3 set problem, but I want to pause for a while. I'll post questions right now on the platform. After that, when we come back, we'll be moving to 3 set problem to solve more tricky questions on 3 set problems. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Peace out. Don't go away. Just a break. You can take a water, then you come back. Hello guys, so we are coming to continue with the with the set problem. We are going to deal with this one, sets, three set problem. So if you want to join us right now. Peace out.
Peace out.
Okay. So with the three set problem. Let me set the camera well so that okay, so with the three set problem is simple. Since you understand the two set problem, as only I that's it. Since you're able to understand the two set problem, the three set problem you can use 30 minutes to finish up. So the three set problem has about how many regions?
It has 8.
8 regions, right? The marker is about to finish, almost finished.
When it finishes, then we close.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 regions with a three set problem. So this one is simple. I'm coming to teach you the way we can shape regions. I've already taught you, right? I've already taught you. So let's move on. Let's move on to the first question. It says that there are 30 students in a class, 20 of them play football, 16 of them play hockey, 16 play football and volleyball, 9 play all the 3 games, 15 play football and volleyball. So this one is simple. Got it. Hey, that's not right. Read it for me. Louder. No, recording. Okay, let's go.
There are 30 students in a
There are 30 students in a class, but your ones look at mine.
20 of them play football.
20 of them play football, so number of F. Number
16 play hockey.
16 play hockey. Number of H. Number of H. Number of H is equal to 16.
Then
Volleyball.
there are 16 play volleyball.
Read. Fast.
9 play all the 3 games.
All the 3 games, which means number of F intersection H intersection V equals what?
Equals 9.
Equals 9.
15 play football.
15 play
Football.
but football you said it's 20. Huh? You said 15.
15 play football and volleyball.
Football and volleyball, that is number of F intersection V is equal to what?
15.
15. Fantastic. Let's go.
11 play football and hockey.
I can't hear you.
11 play football and hockey.
11 play football and hockey. It's 11.
Whilst 10 play hockey and volleyball.
10 play hockey and volleyball.
Yes.
So hockey intersection V equals what?
10.
Equals 10. So you will see that these are the that's all. What's the question?
It says that illustrate the information on the Venn diagram.
Illustrate the information on a Venn diagram. Good one there. So this one is simple question. This is a basic question that you need to be able to do if you are solving 3 set problem. You have been given everything. Oh, the markers are not coming in.
Let's close.
We should close. We will close right now. So this 3 set problem. This is one circle, and then another circle. So the middle here is those who offer 3 something. Maybe 3 subjects, 3 players, like 3 games. Those who can play 3 games and other things. And then this side is for 2. Maybe if here is, let's take for instance, this is number of F. This is number of H. This is number of what? V. Right? Don't sleep, oh, don't sleep at all, don't sleep. Don't sleep at all, don't sleep. Number of what? V equals what? Equals, number of V equals 16. So number of this one equals what? 20. Number of H equals what? 16. Then you are sleeping here. Don't sleep at all. You come here, you see, you'll be having, this is V, this is H, this is what? This is V, this is A, F, H, and then V. Now this side, in the middle means intersection of all the 3. Those who can play football, hockey, and then the volley. This side is those who can play hockey and what? Football and then what? Hockey. This side is those who can play what? Hockey and then what? Volleyball. This side, football and then fantastic. This side, all the 3. And then this side is what? Only what? Football. That's all. So now, for you to solve this one, you are just substituting these values here. This one is a basic one for understanding purpose. After that, I will give you some questions, tricky questions in the group, and I'll post some online. Try as much as possible to solve them, and then send the answers to the. You can comment the answer below, and you can also send the answers into the WhatsApp platform. Let's move on. So this one, you'll be having the 3 intersection is 9. Here is 9, and then football and then volley is what? Football and volley. 15. Good one there. And then football and then hockey. Volley and hockey. 10. 10. Which one again? Football and hockey. 11. Okay. That's all right. Yes, so this is the presentation, that's all. If you want here, if you just add this one, then you deduct it from this one. That's all. That's all about the 3 set problem. There is nothing much about 3 set problem. 3 set problem is really easy problem to solve. We will continue and then solve more questions on that. Thank you for staying tuned to end. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you for cooking me.
I want you to. Oh, Diana, look at here. This is Diana. This is Diana. Okay, bye bye.